Hey guys, okay, so I feel like it's been a minute since I've done a Worth the Hype video. So today I want to feature a brand that I have really been into for quite a while. It's been several years, so I'm surprised I've never talked about it. But this is going to be, as the title says, on First Aid Beauty, also known as Fab Beauty. Some of these are like OG products that they've had for a minute. And then a couple of these are newer ones. So I'll start with the newer products, and I actually just did a video where I showed how I use these products. So the first one I'll show you guys is the Tinted Moisturizer, and this has broad spectrum 30 natural luminous finish, and I have the color tan. It's non-comedogenic, it's safe for sensitive skin, which is one of the reasons why I really love First Aid Beauty. I first came across their line, like I said, years ago. I had like a little spot right here, and I thought that maybe it was like eczema or something. It was like really dry. It was like reacting to something that I guess I was using. I was introduced to this line, and I'll show you guys the product that I use for that, and I've never had an issue since then. But before I get to that, like I said, I'll talk about this one. So the Tinted Moisturizer, like I said, I do have a video that will probably be, well, yeah, it should be posted before this one. If not, then look out for it. But I like this product because there's SPF 30 in it. I like that it's extremely natural. I wouldn't say that it's luminous, but I definitely would say that it's natural. But the thing I don't like about it is that the color range is not good at all. So you'll see, of course, my hand is a little bit darker than my face, but it's much lighter, but it blends in really well. Like, it's really like there's nothing on your skin. It really is just like you're putting a moisturizer on. But when I do the rest of my makeup, that kind of warms it up and makes it look better. But if you're someone that wants like super duper natural makeup, if you don't have a lot of flaws on your face, even if you do, like I have, you know, acne and post acne marks and discoloration and all that kind of stuff, and I'm still able to use it because I use concealer and then I set it with a powder as well. So definitely check this out if you want something that's really natural, quick, easy. Like I said, the SPF 30 in it is a big plus. If I forget to put my SPF on, or if I'm in a rush and I just use this one, I know that my skin at least has some type of protection. The next one that I've recently tried is the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer. This is number 5. This is my highlighting concealer. You can use it all over your face, but I use it to highlight, so I wanted one that was a little bit lighter than me. I'll swatch this one for you guys too. So this one is a little bit deeper. You see the texture. It has a doe foot applicator, and it's just very soft and smooth. Like when you put it on, you don't need a lot, and it blends out really nicely. I do have both of these on right now because, like I said, I just filmed a video using them, and it just kind of blends in. It's definitely, like I said, the claim of it being natural is definitely true. You don't look cakey. You don't look like you have a ton of makeup on. It still allows your skin to shine through, especially if you only use, you know, these two products on their own. Don't use like powder and concealer and all that kind of stuff. I definitely would recommend it if that's something that you're looking for. So the next product that I'll show you guys is the one I was mentioning earlier. The first product that I ever tried was the Ultra Repair Concentrate. So it's a skin protectant for face and body, and it's like a balm. I've had this forever, y'all, so it looks kind of worn out, but I mean, that's exactly what it is. It's like a balm that you can just kind of put onto your skin. It's a little thicker, so I wouldn't, it's not something you can moisturize with, but like I said, I had that really dry, irritated spot on my chin, and I would put that on it, and it totally cleared it up. One thing about this line too, I don't think I mentioned, it is good for eczema. It is good for any kind of skin issues. It's non-comedogenic. It's good for kids. Like, everybody can use it because it's a really simple and safe brand. But yeah, I put this on that spot until it went away, and I've never ever had an issue again. I don't know if I had eczema or what, or if it was some kind of just like reaction, but it totally cleared it up. I would normally buy the full sizes in these, but you can always find them in the 100-point perks at Sephora, so I just use my points to get them instead of buying like the full size. So the face cleanser, this is something that I always keep around in the shower in case I'm like super tired or in a rush, and I just want something that's going to totally wipe off all my makeup, wash off all my makeup. It's going to be simple, easy. I can put it over my eyes, and it's going to get my face really clean. And this is the face cleanser. Removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. Safe for sensitive skin. The next one that I always keep on hand is the Ultra Repair Cream. This you can use from head to toe. They have the tubes in the bigger size, or they have one that kind of comes in like a tub. But that too, if you're having any kind of dryness, like if my skin is like really dry, I'll definitely go to this. If I, once again, don't feel like doing my whole nighttime routine, I'll just put this over my face and my eyes, and I'll be good to go, and I'll know my skin's going to be protected. This one is the Ultra Repair Hydra Firm Sleeping Cream. Helps hydrate, firm, and smooth. This, like it says, is a nighttime cream. It's not, you don't have to use it for nighttime. I think they say that it's a nighttime cream because it has a bit of a thicker formula than, say, the Ultra Repair Cream. They also have like ones that are specifically for face. They have a ton of products, but these are the ones that I like. But you can just use this if you need a little extra moisture. If you do want to use this as a night cream, which I do sometimes as well when I just want to have some extra hydration at night that maybe I didn't get during the day, I will use this. And when you wake up, I feel like my skin looks like clear. It's like you're not sure, like, is something different, something looks better, but your skin just has an overall like clear look, if that makes any sense. The next two things I'll show you guys are masks that I have from them. So this is the Facial Radiance Overnight Mask, and it's kind of like a gel type formula. It's really thin. Put it on, go to sleep with it. I love sleeping masks. I love to just go to sleep with a really easy mask on my face. I'll even go with a thicker mask on my face and kind of spot treat with it. And you wake up and your skin just looks like nourished and hydrated and plump and clearer. And the other mask I have is the Bouncy Mass. So I'll tell you what this one says. I forgot to say. This one says it brightens, even skin tone, and nourishes. I definitely do see that. I don't use it every night, but I definitely feel like I see a difference in my skin when I wake up in the morning. And the Bouncy Mask is 5-in-1 Bouncy Mask, and this says it helps to nourish, calm, firm, plump, and refine. So if I have any kind of like irritation or anything going on with my skin, or my skin just feels like it's not acting right, I will put this one on. The formula, it looks just like the other one. Put it on. I leave my mask on for hours. Like, I like to put a mask on a few hours before I go in the shower, so I can kind of just let it sit and penetrate on my skin, and then when I go in the shower, to kind of wash it off. But you do see that it kind of helps calm your skin down and makes it feel more refreshed and revitalized. And that's it. Like I said, there are a ton more products. There's a huge line of products that they have, but these are the ones that I have. These are like some of the originals that I love, that I stick to, that I always make sure to keep on hand in case my skin is just reacting or acting up. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you've tried this line, let me know. Leave a comment below. Or if you're interested in trying this line, let me know. If you've tried any of the other products that they have, let me know as well. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, especially Instagram. I keep telling y'all to come follow me on Instagram. I don't know why I don't want to listen, but you know, some days I put some pretty interesting things on there, and you'll never miss a video if you're following me on Instagram, because I always post when I have a new video up. So I want to see you guys over there. I want to see you on my Instagram. Come on over. Let's chat. Let's get to know each other better. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.